So this is the first look that you're going to get of my little girl.
Don't show yet.
She come very quickly.
Yes. Then tomato.
As soon as we got here, I think Mel had the baby within about 15 minutes. Yeah. About 15 minutes.
It's great. It's good than tomato. And then how many pounds?
£7, 4 ounces.
7.4.
So she's quite a big baby.
It's bigger. It's bigger. It's big Matthew.
Matthew was £8 though, wasn't he? So I think they want to see the baby. Now I have to warn you, she looks like Mel. Bless her, she can't help it. There she is, look. Sophia Grace, you Kim Ray.
Yeah.
And as soon as she came out the womb, she's hungry.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Matthew knows. Matthew sleep.
Typical Filipino. Sleeping food. So there you go guys, you've got the first look.
Finally. No more babies na. I don't want more.
You told me you wanted 5 aside.
I'm content now. We have a girl. We have a boy.
Yeah.
So that's it.
I'm pleased you're content.
It depends if you want more.
No, thank you. I never thought in a million years when I come to the Philippines I'd be having kids. I thought my children's days were over.
Wait lang. We'll focus.
See if we can get near her face.
Wait, Sophia, wait lang.
Oh, don't disturb her face.
May just move lang. Looks like Matthew.
They look strange when they're first born though, don't they?
Yeah. Hello, Sophia. Chubby, chubby chicks. Chubby chicks.
She's got your nose and mouth now.
It will change. You're so excited. We sleep na. She sleep na. No, not yet. It's pointed.
Them cheeks. She's cheeky. So that's it then, Mummy. Are you having some rest?
Yeah.
So, it's over to you then.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos.
And don't forget to visit the website at BritainThePhilippines.com where all your questions will be answered.
Yeah.
And just as a reminder guys, I need a new motherboard for my computer, so if you're coming over and you'd be so graciously kind to get me the motherboard, of course I will pay in full, and I may be able to get my computer back up and running. This is day 2 and that's Mummy trying to look beautiful because she's a bit annoyed I'm taking a video. I'm joking, I only joke, but people take it seriously. I shouldn't joke. So this is day 2. Well, it's not day 2 because it's the same day, isn't it? Video 2 then. And she's changing. She'd only just been born when we've on the bit we've just shown you, and now her face is changing. unfortunately, like I keep saying, she looks like her mum.
She will change.
I'm joking, baby. Well, you're beautiful, right? Yes, I am. You're beautiful, right? So, that's my little chicken. Sophia Grace Yukim Ren. Even got the Yukim part right instead of Chuti.
Hello, Daddy.
She's totally opposite to Matthew. Matthew used to just sleep and be quiet.
Yeah, even he's hungry now.
Yeah, even if he's hungry.
Yeah.
But this one, she cries and cries and cries. It's the right little chubber.
Family.
You what, babe?
Complete family.
Yeah.
Girl and boy.
Girl and boy, our family's complete.
So that's it. All your subscribers asking about how's Mel? Is it Anna giving?
Yeah. Plus, our friend Bill is very concerned, isn't he?
Yeah.
Bless him.
Thank you for the gift.
Yeah.
For
Gifts.
Sophia. Yes.
And it's not Mel's.
This one.
Yeah.
This one is from Bill.
Yeah. That's from Bill.
And the other one.
And we've got a little wrap. We've not used that yet
Yeah,
because
not yet.
it's quite thin. Wanted something a bit thicker around it for now.
Is that alright though if you're one of the godfather of Sophia?
Godfather, yeah. I'm sure he'll love that. Because it's Bill's namesake, isn't it, in a way? Oh, here we go, look. Mel brought it. But it's quite thin, Bill, so we didn't use it straight away. So we'll use it in conjunction with the other one. I'm absolutely exhausted. I went home and tried to get some sleep, but I can't get any sleep because people's banging on the door for ice candy. 6 o'clock this morning, somebody's wanting ice candy. Seriously, I'm being serious. Yeah. So, that's it, guys. That's our new edition.
My sister, she jealous.
Yeah.
Having a baby girl. When we talked early, the first thing that she said, "Is it real girl?" Yeah.
Yeah, sister wanted a girl. She's got 2 boys. And like I've said before, I get a little bit upset for my name because when Matthew's around, everybody's fussing Matthew and they don't fuss her little baby. So when I'm there, I always pick him up and give him a kiss and a cuddle and play with him for a bit. So that's it. The next video will be something different, I'm guessing, because last time I posted these type of videos and the old videos got a bit old that I'd put on the site, on the channel, sorry, but not actually sent live. So I'll be putting the other ones live. Again, don't forget, guys, the videos that you see are always on Patreon first. So thanks to everybody for your kind comments. We really appreciate it. Thanks to all our patrons. As the introduction says, from the bottom of our hearts, we don't know what we do without you. Thanks so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, now couldn't be a better time. Yeah. So until the next video, guys, bye for now.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping